name is Suze Orman, and if you don't know who I am, I'm the money lady. So I care a lot about what I spend my money on, what it costs to do something, and I knew that putting in artificial grass would save me money. It probably was the wisest decision I have ever made when it comes to doing something in my home. If you are considering artificial grass, you should not hesitate. I promise you, if you stick with SYNLawn and you stick with easy grass, because those are the only two that I would do, if you stick with those two, I promise you, you will have absolutely no regrets. Now that's advice from me that you can take straight to the bank.